What we have here is failure for a sink to drain correctly. One of these two strainers started leaking a short while ago and made an awful mess under the counter. And I know exactly why the seal of this strainer and only this one failed. I would surmise that repeated impacts over several years caused this. I know which type of impact, with what, and exactly who's responsible for this. How do I know all this? The why and the who and the how? Because it's me. 2 or 3 times every single morning for the last 15 years, I've been doing this. I've been waking up all my neighbors at the same time. So I'm guessing the constant impact over the years jarred the seal loose, and that mess underneath the counter, which looks like a donkey with diarrhea. I've taken the strainer apart and cleaned it and scrubbed it clean with one of these scrubby sponges. Just go to another sink because you'll get your feet wet. A short anatomy lesson. This is the top cup, which fits inside the hole of your sink. But between the sink and the cup is a rubber gasket. Once that's in, the bottom cup fits underneath into this, or this fits into the cup. And then this lock nut holds it all together as it's screwed onto the central post column tube thing. But what I really want to show you, and the reason why, even with all this banging going on every single morning here, why it held together so well for all these years, I have a bit of a personal touch. I did this like 15 or 20 years ago, and it really made a difference, I believe. A first ring of silicone. Put in your rubber gasket. Everything is dry and clean. Just fit that in there. Another ring of silicone. That doesn't have to be neat. Use the good stuff, the transparent quality stuff. Drop that in. Squeeze it down a bit. Bottom cup goes in, and then your lock nut. And then just reconnect everything like you did to how it should be. And you're good. And then you can just bang away here every morning and you'll be